Are you still making chocolate frosting the complicated way? Stop. Today I will show you a simple chocolate frosting that is rich, creamy, full of chocolate flavor and works beautiful on any chocolate cake without failing. Let's get started. We start with softened unsalted butter. Cream it until it becomes pale, light and creamy. This step is important because properly creamed butter gives our frosting a much smoother and lighter texture. This is exactly what we are looking for: soft, pale and creamy. Now we add our powdered sugar. It gives the frosting its sweetness and structure whilst blending smoothly into the butter without leaving a grainy texture. Next, our cocoa powder. This brings that deep chocolate flavor and gives the frosting its beautiful chocolate color. Add a little vanilla powder for extra depth and aroma. Then salt to taste. Don't skip the salt, it helps balance the sweetness and brings out the chocolate flavor. Now, cream everything together until you have a smooth, rich paste with no dry ingredients left behind. Now we add our melted dark chocolate. This takes the frosting to another level, giving it a richer chocolate taste, deeper color and a more luxurious texture. Next, we add a little milk. This helps loosen the frosting, making it softer, smoother and much easier to spread over the cake. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And now we keep creaming. Don't rush this part. Give the frosting enough time to become completely smooth and creamy. We want a texture that is rich and stable, but not too thick. Something soft, silky and easy to spread. Look at that texture. Smooth, creamy and perfectly spreadable. For more easy homemade recipes like this, check out my playlist. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.